Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off text prediction in Microsoft Edge. So on the left-hand side of the screen, I have my community page on YouTube open so I can demonstrate what this feature is. So as you can see here, I'm starting to type, and then Microsoft Edge is suggesting what it thinks I want to say. And then if I like that, I can press tab and it will complete that, complete my phrase or sentence or whatever for me. And I really don't like this feature. I feel like it really interrupts the flow of my writing and my creative process. So I want to turn that off. So what I would do is I would go to the top right-hand corner of my window to where it says like these three little black dots and click on settings. And that would take me typically to the profiles part, but I want to go down to where it says languages and click that. And I am already here. I already have this tab open for convenience, and I want to scroll down under languages until I find where it says use writing assistance, and it has use text prediction turned on for me right now, and I want to turn that to off. And if you'll notice here, just with that one little change, the Microsoft Edge is no longer suggesting or trying to complete my text for me anymore, which this fixes it. And also, while I am in the settings / languages area, if I want to change from under writing assistance from Microsoft Editor, and this setting has data being sent to Microsoft for processing over to basic where data is processed locally on the device, I can do that here as well. So yeah, I hope that this video helped you, and I hope that you have a great day.